50 tips to improve your K-pop dancing. Tip 1. Always start by watching the choreography carefully before trying to dance it. Many beginners immediately try to copy the dance without understanding it first. Instead, watch the video closely and observe how the idol moves their body, their hands, and their feet. Try to understand the style of the dance and how the performer controls their movements. This will help you learn the choreography faster later. Tip 2. Watch the dance video in slow motion. K-pop choreography often looks complicated because the movements are very fast. When you slow down the video, you can clearly see how every step works. This helps your brain understand the movement better, and it becomes easier to copy it during practice. Tip 3. Repeat the same dance video many times. Repetition is one of the most important parts of learning choreography. When you watch the same dance again and again, your brain slowly memorizes the moves. After some time, you will start remembering the steps without even thinking about them. Tip 4. Practice in front of a mirror whenever possible. A mirror allows you to see how your body moves while dancing. Sometimes you think you are doing the move correctly, but when you see yourself in the mirror, you realize something is wrong. This helps you correct your posture and movements. Tip 5. Record yourself while dancing. Watching your own performance on video can help you notice mistakes that you might not see while practicing. Compare your movements with the original choreography and look for differences. This method is used by many professional dancers. Tip 6. Break the choreography into small parts. Trying to learn an entire dance at once can feel overwhelming. Instead, divide the choreography into smaller sections and practice each part separately. Once you master one section, move on to the next. Tip 7. Practice the choreography without music first. When there is no music, you can focus completely on the movements. After you understand the steps clearly, add the music and practice again. This will make the learning process much easier. Tip 8. Always warm up your body before dancing. Warming up prepares your muscles and joints for movement. If you start dancing without warming up, you increase the risk of injury. Even professional idols warm up before every rehearsal. Tip 9. Stretch your muscles properly before practicing. Stretching improves flexibility and allows your body to move more smoothly. Many K-pop choreographies require flexible movements, so stretching regularly can make a big difference. Tip 10. Focus on your body posture while dancing. Good posture makes your dance look clean and professional. Try to keep your back straight and your movements controlled. Tip 11. Always dance on beat. Timing is extremely important in K-pop choreography. Even simple movements can look impressive if they are perfectly on beat. Tip 12. Count the rhythm in your head while learning the choreography. Many dancers count 1, 2, 3, 4 to stay in rhythm with the music. Tip 13. Practice controlling your balance during fast movements. K-pop dances often include turns and quick direction changes, so balance is very important. Tip 14. Use your full energy when dancing. Many beginners perform choreography with very little energy, which makes the dance look weak. Try to move with strong energy and confidence. Tip 15. Finish every move completely. Some dancers stop their movement halfway, which makes the choreography look unfinished. Always complete each move fully. Tip 16. Practice your facial expressions while dancing. K-pop performances are not just about the dance moves. Facial expressions help show the emotion of the song. Tip 17. Avoid making awkward facial expressions during serious performances. Your expression should match the mood of the music. Tip 18. Feel the emotion of the song while dancing. When you understand the meaning and emotion of the music, your performance becomes more natural and engaging. Tip 19. Work on your flexibility. Flexible muscles help you perform wider and smoother dance movements. Tip 20. Strengthen your core muscles. A strong core helps you control your body and maintain balance during choreography. Tip 21. Practice body isolation exercises. Body isolation means moving one part of your body while keeping the rest of your body still. This is a very common technique used in K-pop choreography, especially in hip-hop style dances. For example, you may move only your shoulders, chest, or hips while the rest of your body stays controlled. At first this may feel strange, but with practice you will gain better control over your body. When dancers have good isolation skills, their movements look cleaner and more professional. Tip 22. Learn how to control your arms and hand movements. Many beginners focus only on footwork and forget that hand movements are also very important in K-pop choreography. If your arms are too stiff or too loose, the dance will not look good. Try to keep your arm movements clear and controlled. Watch how idols extend their arms and hands during performances and try to copy their technique carefully. Tip 23. Practice footwork drills regularly. Footwork is the foundation of many dance styles used in K-pop. If your feet move slowly or incorrectly, it becomes difficult to keep up with the choreography. Practicing simple footwork exercises can improve your speed, balance, and coordination. Over time, your movements will become faster and more natural. Tip 24. Improve your stamina with cardio exercises. K-pop dances often require a lot of energy and endurance because the choreography can last for several minutes without rest. Doing cardio exercises such as running, skipping rope, or jumping jacks can help improve your stamina. When your stamina improves, you will be able. Tip 25. Practice dancing for longer periods so your body becomes used to performing full routines. Some beginners only practice short sections of choreography, but performing the full dance helps you understand how your energy should be controlled throughout the routine. When you practice the entire choreography from beginning to end, you also learn how to maintain your performance quality even when you feel tired. Tip 26. Study different dance styles such as hip-hop, popping, and urban choreography. K-pop dances often combine many different dance styles in one routine. Learning the basics of these styles can help you perform choreography more accurately. When you understand these dance styles, you will also feel more comfortable learning new choreography. Tip 27. Watch professional dancers perform and try to learn from their technique. Observing experienced dancers can teach you many things about timing, posture, and performance style. Try to pay attention to how they control their movements and express emotions through dance. This can give you ideas on how to improve your own performance. Tip 28. Pay attention to the small details in choreography. Many K-pop dances include small movements that are easy to miss at first. These details can include hand gestures, head movements, or subtle changes in body position. When you focus on these small details, your dance will look more polished and accurate. Tip 29. Do not rush when learning a new dance. Some beginners try to learn the choreography as quickly as possible, but this often leads to mistakes. It is better to learn slowly and correctly rather than quickly and incorrectly. When you take your time, your movements will become cleaner and more precise. Tip 30. Practice the same choreography for several days until you master it. Learning a dance once is not enough. You must repeat the choreography many times over several days to improve your muscle memory. With consistent practice, the movements will become autumn.